Happy birthday.
Wishing you good health, happiness, and safety. God bless.
Synchronize with me.
Okay, Ruby, happy birthday. And I know you've been in heartbreak. Hindi po, napamatikan ko. Masaya kami din. Okay, wish you more happiness, progress,
Happiness and sadness.
from me. Insidious guy. Alright, then happy birthday. Thanks. Happy birthday.
Please listen. You will have an exam right after, okay?
So it's like happy birthday, we wish you happiness, good health, and love your life.
More success in all your endeavors, especially congratulations for getting a 4 score. Good job. I'm really proud of you.
Morgan, yeah?
Okay, we're next.
Are you found friend?
Okay. Rufy?
Grabe, wala pa ka. Di pa excited. Ang backdrop ng
Rufy, it's your birthday, so happy birthday. Best wishes and congratulations to your new year. And hopefully you can have some
Another highlight.
another new
Oh, pakak! You guys!
Okay, so hopefully starting this night or I think this morning or morning, so sana you have a lucky day. Happy birthday.
Supposed to be, oh my god!
I'm sorry, our message is very long.
Go, excuse me.
Super long.
Super long.
Ruby? Ruby yan. Happiness on your birthday. Happy birthday, Habano.
Okay. Answer to me. Sabi ito ko pag-let's ako.
Ashay na nga ito.
Super long.
Comment mo sana ang enchong mo. I love Kim Sweet. No Kim. Next. No Kim.
Please siya
Excuse me, go. Excuse me, go.
Maganda siyang wish. Maganda siyang wish.
I wish the same for you.
Oo, I like that wish. I like it better than
Like,
enchong.
Ruby,
Ruby,
Uy, pagdaligoy.
It's like mabuntis ang taka, mom.
I like that wish. Oh my God! It's just a joke.
Abukis ka sana sa...
No, mommy, seriously, from
Family, from James Apartment family, from the Lau family, wish you all the best. And lovelier, happier life. Pinakita yung wish what's that?
Enchong. Pag-yata nila na kung wish na, Lord, mag-end akong birthday hand exam.
The bottom line is mamamatay ka na, mami.
You love me, right? And I wish you can create more trouble calls. And more updates to come.
Oh my God!
Giveaways. The first person who can answer the National Geographic. Do you know what is this, guys?
Lantern.
Lantern. Flying or floating.